न्यू वर्ल्ड कन्सल्टिंगान धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आणि डेन्मार्काचे AFC मिझिलँडाक एकठांय हाडल्यार. धेंपो सामकार मोठ्या मोठ्या क्लबांचे प्रस्ताव आशिल्ले, मात तांणी AFC मिझिलँडा सारकेल्या सादारण क्लबा कडेन मर्जर करपाचें थारायलां. हाचेर न्यू वर्ल्डाचो अध्यक्ष सत्यजीत सदानंदन प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो. तो म्हणटा आशियाक जागतीक फुटबॉला कडच्यान बऱ्योच गजाली जाय. तेच बरोबर हांगासरलो फुटबॉल जागतीक फुटबॉलांत बरेंच कितें दिवंक शकता.
You run New World Consultants, which is quite a unique concept when you talk about sport management. Could you tell us a bit about what you do and how this deal went through with FC Midtjylland and Tempo?
Sure. Uh, Basically, we are a sports management company. We have a global presence, and we try to structure, investments in the right way in football. So we connect clubs. We build partnerships between clubs from Asia, particularly from the subcontinent and India, and from clubs in Europe. No, I've always been involved with football as a youngster. I was playing football. I played at the national level. I played for Calicut University and so on. And later on, I had a football club of my own called Providence. And then I was also involved with a lot of work at the Football Federation, the All India Football Federation, for some time back, including launch of the I-League way back in 2007. This whole partnership between Dempo SC and FC Midtjylland came about because Mr. Dempo, Mr. Srinivas Dempo, the chairman of Dempo Sports Club, he told us to look at a club which would really add value to the Dempo Sports Club. Dempo Sports Club being the most successful club in India now in recent history. He felt it's now time to take it to the next level and get a better footing internationally, do something more in Asia, and then on in the larger world platform. So we did an extensive search for him across a lot of different countries, and then based on his customized needs, primarily in terms of youth focus, we identified this club FCM. So from day one he was very clear he's not looking at it for the glamour or something. He wants to actually do something in football, and he wants to do something for Goa and for India. So that's why we looked at a lot of clubs, a lot of high profile clubs, and a lot of clubs which don't have such a high profile but which are doing some fantastic work in the area of grassroots development, in the area of youth development, and so on. So that's how we came across FCM, and we thought it was a good fit. We took him there, we took his coaches there, and everybody felt that this was the right club to partner with, and that's how it came about.
Big names that you were scouting at that time that you could share with us?
It would be inappropriate to do that because it's not good for the other clubs. I mean, we have looked at over 58 clubs in across 20 countries. So we have looked at all the big leagues in Europe. You name it, we have been there. Right from the Premier League to the Bundesliga to the La Liga to all the leagues, all the major leagues, and then some other countries. Denmark, of course, is a World Cup playing nation. It's not, in terms of football, it's not so small. But when you look at league football, professional football, the Danish league is not of that profile as, maybe the Premier League and the Bundesliga. But yeah, like I said, the idea was something different, something long lasting, and something which really builds value for both the people. So it's not that, we are from India or we are from Asia, so it's only that we need some things. Even the European guys, they also need some things from us. They can also learn a lot of things from us, and they also look at this market from a different perspective. So it's what we set out here to do is create a win-win partnership. It's not one-sided. It's more long-lasting. It's more for both sides to be happy together. Now we are having this youth academy planned for the Dempo and FCM, players here in Goa. So the big dream is to get some players from Goa in the long term to play in Europe. So that's the kind of work that we have been doing, and we have been lucky. We have got involved with quite a lot of good people like Mr. Dempo and so on. People who are very committed to the game and who have been there for the game for a long, long time. So that sense, we feel quite lucky that we have been with the right people, and we are also happy that things are taking shape in the right way.
पुणे फुटबॉल क्लबान आयतारा धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक जबरदस्त शॉक दिलो. 19व्या मिनटाक इझुमी आराटान केल्ल्या गोलाक लागून मॅचीचें सगळें चित्रच बदललें. इतलें जावनय धेंपो पंगड 5 पॉयंटांनी इश्ट बंगाला मुखार आसा. पुणे फुटबॉल क्लब सध्या प्रयाग युनायटेड आनी साळगांवकार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबा मदीं 6व्या सुवातेर आसा. तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमचे www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकावंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकावंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान ह्या खबराचेर हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.